Welcome back to the RV crash course, and we're talking about propane. So, RV has two propane tanks right here up front. Any of the bumper pulls are going to have it right up here in front, nice and easy to get to. Fifth wheels, they're up near the front anyways and in different spots. And motorhomes, they can be placed anywhere underneath the chassis. So, on bumper pull campers, your shutoffs obviously are these two valves right here. Fifth wheels are usually right on the top of their tanks as well. Motorhomes, they're generally just got to switch somewhere else. So that is on these. Right here is your propane tank regulator. All RVs have some form of regulator in some way, shape, or size because tanks are a high pressure system. This regulator turns into a low pressure LP gas that then feeds everything in your coach. So your refrigerator, your water heater, your furnace, everything is low pressure. So that is the job of this device. So things to note: this one is a dual one, so we can choose which tank we want to feed on. So we're pointing out that one, so we're running this tank first. Once that tank runs out, it will switch over to this tank. You can run both at the same time. I like to run the switcher style, so it runs that tank out fully empty first, so I can actually disconnect it and go get it filled. And then when it goes empty, in that little window, it'll actually be red, just like that, showing it's out of gas. So I just got to pull the cover off, check, see if it's red, switch it back over to the other side, just like that, and then it will draw off this tank, and I can go get that tank filled and still have a tank ready to go. So that is a nice thing about these. Things to note: if a regulator is going bad, which they do fail, you'll lose gas in the side of the RV and the coach. Things will not work. You can smell gas outside here. You can smell that rotten egg smell. So the regulator itself can leak. These hoses can leak at their connections, at their fittings. Gas leaks are nothing to joke around about, so you always, if you smell gas, shut everything down and try to get a leak check done. Soapy water or leak detector spray will be what you need. Spray it on all the fittings, spray on everywhere you think the leak might be coming from. If it bubbles up, then it is time to get that replaced. Fairly simple systems, but they are a very important part of the RV and what you may have. So pretty simple system on a bumper pull trailer, but everybody has it. That's all there is to it.